Hello everyone and welcome to Captions Live. I am Mara, your community manager here at Captions and your host for today. And I am joined by, of course, my co-host Eli.
Hey, Eli here, Customer Experience Architect.
So we have a really exciting show for you today. We are going to be taking you through how you can record everything from start to finish in the Captions app using the Captions camera. We make it really easy and painless, and we're going to be showing you all the different features you can use to make that happen. All right, let's get started. So before we begin, of course, a reminder, please update your phone to make sure you are on the most updated version of the app. So to start, let's show them one of my favorite things that you can do. It's really cool. I think one of the most frustrating things sometimes can be coming up with talking content and scripts for videos and try to keep it sounding really natural and informative, and it can just be so exhausting. So luckily, we actually make that really easy for you in Captions. You can use AI script and we will write your entire script for you.
Okay, let's take a look. So open the Captions app and tap on Create and Script. If you're creating a video, keep this on the video script, but if you want to write text similar to ChatGPT, you can actually click on this text option as well. And you can choose from any of these templates. We have auto, TikTok and Reels, YouTube Shorts, ads, or sales pitch. So in the next section is really where you're going to tell AI what you want this to be about. So you can either type it out. I also created something here just to save a little time. And actually, let's paste that in there. So advertisement for an app called Captions. Discuss the benefits of using the app to improve your video creation and content. Captions available on the App Store. So again, if you use ChatGPT or Bard or other similar tools, you want to be as specific as possible. So before I hit Generate Scripts, I'm going to show you a few more options that we have. So you can add keywords. Keywords will ensure that it'll help make your video more specific to what you're asking it for. You can also choose the tone of voice, professional, casual, serious, funny. You can have it, let's see what funny it comes up with. And then length. Short is about 1 minute, medium 2 minutes, and long 3 minutes. So if you're a UGC content creator, that's who's really using this, and we've gotten really good feedback from them, because if you are a UGC creator, you're maybe creating 2, 3, 5 videos a day, and it can get repetitive, and to be creative definitely takes a little bit of talent there. So hopefully we can help with that. Lastly, you can choose your language. We don't support all languages just yet, but here are the supported languages for scripts. Okay, I think we're all set. Oh, before I generate script, you can also review your history if you want, which is really nice. So if you've written a script before, you can regenerate that script or review back to it. Okay, so we'll give this a few moments. It's usually pretty quick.
There you go.
Okay. Hey there, video creators. Are you looking for a fast and easy way to make your videos stand out? Introducing Captions, an app that helps you create amazing captions for your videos. Okay, so far so good. They kind of nailed it. Well, not sure how funny it is, but we'll find out. So what are you waiting for? Download Captions today and start adding captions to your videos like a pro. It's available for free on the App Store. Great. Okay, so from here you got a couple options. You can either rewrite or share. Share is nice if you want to maybe airdrop that to your computer. You can open it up in Google Docs or Word and then paste it back in. But if you just want to make some small changes, you can also add whatever content you'd like here as well. Okay, so before I hit record, Mara's going to talk a little bit about what's coming next, which is our Teleprompter feature.
Yes, also a really, really cool feature that makes recording so much easier. So now that we've written our script, which took like 3 to 5 seconds,
yeah.
Normally takes like an hour to come up with something like that, it's time for us to start recording. And I feel like another part sometimes of like the recording process that's really painful and frustrating is trying to memorize your script, or trying to like hold a piece of paper behind your phone so that you can read everything as you're recording. But luckily we make it really easy. You don't need to buy a teleprompter. You can actually do it all while recording from within the Captions app. And Eli is going to walk you through how to do that.
Okay, we're going to tap record. I'm going to get camera ready. Oh, not quite yet. Okay, so two options. You can choose Captions Camera or Enable Push. This option right here allows you to use any camera that you'd like on your phone. So you can use your iPhone camera, Instagram camera, anything you want. And unfortunately, I can't demo this because of the way that we're doing this live stream. It won't actually show the push notifications, but if you do want to test it out, you can control the speed at the bottom. Just make sure you have push notifications enabled. You'll see exactly what to do. It gives you a 10-second countdown. Hit go, and then open up the camera of your choice. It's pretty cool. It also works in horizontal mode if you have a camera app that supports it. The default iPhone camera does not support horizontal video shooting, at least with notifications. So that question comes up all the time. Okay, so back to Captions Camera, you've got two options. You can either choose scrolling, which is basically one long take. You can control the speed. Or you can do scenes, which is something I'm much more comfortable with. This allows you to actually do multiple takes, and you actually have a little bit of time in between to kind of pause and pre-read all of the messages that are coming through. Okay, so once you're ready, tap the check mark, and as I said, oh, we're facing that way. Hey, a little behind the scenes, how we do things over here. So from here, you can also mirror the camera. Hey, everybody. And you'll notice that in this mode, you can actually change how much it takes over the video, which is pretty cool. All the standard things, you can turn on your flash, you can reverse the camera, which I showed you, and then on the top right, or actually at the top, you'll notice it says scene 1 of 12. So I can start recording. Hey there, video creators. Are you looking for a fast and easy way to make your video stand out? Okay, great. Scene 1 is complete. Scene 2 coming up. And I'll record introducing Captions, an app that helps you create amazing captions for your videos. So super easy to basically go through step by step. This is, again, is the scenes option. If you don't like what you recorded, you can tap the back button on the top right and you can re-record that segment, which is super cool. So I'm going to go back once more just to show off the fact that on the top right you can change from scrolling to or from scenes to scrolling and vice versa. So we're actually going to record this as scrolling mode. Let's see how that looks. Get a nice little countdown. Hey there, video creators. Are you looking for a fast and easy way to make your video stand out? Introducing Captions, an app that helps you create amazing captions for your videos. If you need to, you can actually turn this into scenes just by pausing a little bit. What do we want to look at here? Keep looking at me, I guess. Okay, cool. So once you're happy with that, you can tap on the check mark. Hey there, video creators. You'll get a nice little preview here. And then from here, you can select your spoken language. Again, this is the language that you're speaking in the video. And then you can translate captions or audio. So suppose I want to turn this into Portuguese. Tapping on the translate captions allows you to add the Portuguese captions. If you also tap on translate audio, you'll get the auto dub option as well. So both captions and my voice will be matched to match how I sound in Portuguese, even though I don't speak Portuguese, which is pretty cool. So you can tap auto dub to Portuguese to continue there. But I'm not going to because we're going to show you some other stuff.
So Eli's just kind of giving you a little preview of how to use the Captions camera with the teleprompter specifically, but you can also just use the Captions camera for regular recording. We're going to take you through how to do that now.
Okay, tap on create and just do camera. Hello again. I'll turn you around so you don't have to look at me this whole time. So from here you can tap and release to record, pretty standard. You can also hold it down if you like. And from here you can swipe your finger up and down. I think Snapchat kind of popularized that camera motion. You can turn on flash, you can reverse the camera. And then what's different here is you can see on the top right, you can actually import clips from your library, which these are clips that I've previously imported, or you can import clips from your camera roll, which is also nice. So if you did want to create a multi-take or include like some sort of reaction video, or you can add multiple clips here is basically what I'm getting at. So once you've recorded what you've wanted to do, tap the check mark, and we are back to where we started. Same way to add captions, choose your language, add auto dub, etc. Okay. I think next,
Awesome.
Mara's going to talk to you about another tool.
So we're not going to do a total deep dive today on all the different editing features, since today is really more about how you create your content, not totally edit it. But if you are interested, we do have previous live stream replays available on our YouTube page, where we do go really in depth into all of our editing features. So for our last segment today, we're going to show you a feature that I think pairs really nicely with camera, and especially with Teleprompter. It's AI eye contact. So let's say that even when you are using Teleprompter, or maybe you didn't want to use it, you wanted to read off of a different screen or a paper with notes, your eye contact is a little bit off. And now with AI eye contact, you can actually record without any worries, and then use AI eye contact after you record to give yourself that perfect and engaging eye contact. Eli's going to show you how to do that.
Okay. So in this video, I've already applied the eye contact just to save a little bit of time. But here are a few tips before I show you the before and after, which is super exciting. So when recording, try to look at the camera periodically. If possible, look slightly above or to the side rather than below. It doesn't always work well if you're looking down or if there's too severe an angle. Like if you have a piece of paper on the floor and you're trying to read off there, it's probably not going to work. People also ask about if glasses are okay. Glasses actually work just fine. We can still take care of the eye contact. In fact, it actually removes the glare from the glasses, which is kind of a nice side effect of this feature, which is cool. You should blink normally. That's really important to make sure that you don't just look like you're staring at the camera for 2 minutes straight. So if you blink, that will help with the kind of normalcy of how it looks. Okay, let's take a look at the original before the eye contact. I recorded this just a few minutes ago. Hey everybody, my name's Eli, and I'm going to be showing you how eye contact works. Okay, so you can definitely tell that I was looking off to the side, especially maybe like 3, 4, 5 seconds in. So let's apply the eye contact and let's look at that again. Hey everybody, my name's Eli, and I'm going to be showing you how eye contact works.
Gives me chills.
Hey everybody.
It's so crazy.
It's pretty cool. So let's show the kind of before and after. Let's show me looking off to the side there, and let's look how it looks on, off,
Whoa.
on. So there you can really tell that it's working. So I'll show you that one more time. Hey everybody, my name's Eli, and I'm going to be showing you how eye contact works. Natural blinking motion. Pretty amazing. Yeah, when our engineers came up with this a few months ago, we were all stunned. Yeah, so if you have any questions about eye contact, usually the most common issues are not having a strong enough Wi-Fi connection. This takes a lot of computing power. And then also the maximum clip size is 950 megabytes. So if you are getting any sort of errors, please let us know, but you should really let this run for 2, 3, 5, up to 10 minutes in some cases if your video is pretty long. So don't be discouraged, let it run, and it should work just fine.
Awesome. And crazy enough, we were actually just featured for this on the Today Show. They kind of show how cool AI eye contact is. And you can check out our full feature by either going to our LinkedIn or our Twitter. We shared the clip, or I think it's on the Today Show's website and YouTube too.
Yeah.
So check it out. Tell us what you think.
And if you're not in the US, the Today Show is a morning show.
Yes. With hosts just like us.
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome. Well, I think that covers it for all of the features we're going to walk you through. So now we're going to open it up to a Q&A.
Should I start with the inevitable?
Yes, start with the inevitable.